Okay, so I'm making a what's inside an earbud video, but it was taking too long to take apart. But I actually found out, like, see, here's the piece that goes in your ear. Oh, sorry. And there's like a white disc thing in there. And then right here is the back part of it. And then here is the inside. It's like a little speaker. But if you actually look at this, it's magnetic. See the speaker? It's got a magnet on the bottom. See? It just sticks to my hammer. Okay. It's very weird. But yeah, I'm also going to show you what's inside the microphone on the earbud. Let's see. Just give it a good throw. And if you want to know what I did to get this open, I actually just bit the side and it started splitting. So, okay, here you go. This is what is inside. Stupid thing, focus. Well, there we go. See, that's the microphone, that black piece. And then there's cords. Hold on, let me actually see. Yeah, the microphone and then the cords. There's the other half of it. And that's pretty much all that's inside it. And the only things I really had to use were scissors, a hammer, my teeth. I was gonna see if maybe this was needed. Or this. But evidently these weren't needed, which is sad. But yeah, that's pretty much all that's in it. And if you want to see the wire here, just like here, I'll just show you this. It's just like a reddish copper looking wire along with some gray wires. And that's pretty much the video for today. I will see y'all next time. Also, go subscribe to Masonater 2020. It will be in the descriptions. And peace.